Welcome back. Thank you guys so much for clicking on that video. As you can see, I'm going to show you guys something like it's unbelievable. It's going to blow your mind. Yes, unbelievable. It will blow your mind. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. You might as well go ahead and hit that thumbs up too, because you already know you're going to like the video. So just hang tight and get ready, because here we go. So as you can see, I got my green screen on, right? Oh yes, this is all green screen. Oh, you thought I was really here? Yeah, me wishing that I was there for real. But no, seriously, y'all, I created this green screen for less than $5. You don't have to go on Amazon and get that extra expensive equipment. I mean, unless you want to now, you know, do you. But by all means, for those of you who don't care to ball on a budget, well, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 green squares here, okay? 4 green squares. I got those 4 poster boards from the Dollar Tree, right? Taped them bad boys up and made a huge collage there behind me. Yes, and I had this tape laying around at home, so it was nothing. This cost nothing. This was actually less than $5, y'all. I want to say it was what, 3 something, because it was only 69 cents a piece. You do the math. I'm not here about all that. I'm here to show you how to create this green screen, okay? So what you want to do is just tape all 4 of your poster boards together and pin that thing up. Thumbtacks, baby, thumbtacks. Pin that thing up, okay? Get your lighting right, and boom, you on deck. And you can create all kind of cool looks like this, that, like this, or even this, that, oh, and this. Oh yes, check me out. Look, cool, right? I know. Again, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure you go ahead and hit that now, and make sure you give me a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed this video or if you like this video. And if you want to see some more of my awesome cool tricks, tips, and tutorials, make sure you let me know, and I'll be glad to hook you up, boo, because I got you, okay? Get the light lime green color board, okay, because it makes a significant difference. You can't just go out and get the green board, okay? Get the lime green highlight, the super bright green that you see. Get that one, okay? Let me show you an example of the one that I'm telling you not to. Here is the green screen that I started out with. Yes, trial and error. You learn, baby, you learn, but that's okay. I did the learning for you, so you ain't even got to do that. But yes, do not get this one. This is a no-no. And this, yes,